What is the right age for child's first dental visit? Hello, I'm Dr. Sulfi from Lifeberries Healthcare. Child's first dental visit should be at a milestone, that is, child's first birthday. If the first tooth erupts before the first birthday and you want to visit your dentist, that's also a good idea. Dental and gum care should be started early on to set a good oral care routine for your child. Talk to your dentist about the oral care routine for your child from time to time. Visit your dentist every 6 months. As the child keeps growing, the dental care routine also keeps changing. Child should be introduced to a dentist at a very early age. There are many benefits for that. If your child visits the dentist at an early age when there are no cavities or no pain, the visit is very playful and full of fun. Then the child is not scared to visit the dentist and they feel visiting the dentist is a part of routine life and there is nothing to be scared of. When the child has a good experience visiting a dentist, then the child is never scared of visiting the dentist. Then if they don't have cavity, then we make sure that in future also they don't have any. As a parent, you can also discuss with your dentist if your child is going through any habit like thumb sucking, lip biting or mouth breathing, or in case you want to opt for an anti-cavity treatment. What should be the oral care routine for your child? A good oral care routine for the child should be set right from the childhood. We advise that if the child is around 3 months of age, you can use muslin cloth to clean the gums and tongue of your child. Around 6 to 8 months, when the first tooth erupts or few teeth start erupting, you can probably use a soft bristle toothbrush and a non-fluoridated toothpaste. Many soft bristle toothbrushes and non-fluoridated paste are available in the market. So let's discuss some commonly asked questions for child's oral health care. Which toothbrush is better, electric or manual? We think up till 5 years of age, manual toothbrush is a good idea. And after 6 or probably after 7, electric toothbrush can be used. Actually, it's more motivating and fun for the kids to use. Till the time the child develops the motor skills that they can use toothbrush quite nicely on their own, which is around 6 years of age, they should be helped with the brushing. After 6 years onward, like around the time you can say when they're able to tie their shoelaces on their own, they can do the brushing independently, or you can supervise at least the night brushing for them. Another question is, how many times should a child brush in a day? The golden rule is twice a day the brushing should be done, especially at night, and it shouldn't be changed for the kids as well. So make it a routine right from the childhood that the child should brush twice in a day, especially before the bedtime. We know as parents sometimes it's difficult to motivate the child to brush twice daily, especially at night. So what can be done? Make it as a fun activity. You can play some music and brush to the tune. You can motivate your kids for brushing with a sticker chart which you can place right on the washroom mirror. For those beautiful smiles which light up your day, visit your favorite dentist and set a good oral care routine for your child right from the childhood. If you like our information on child's oral health care routine, share it with your family and friends. For more such information on oral health care, subscribe to Lifeberries Healthcare.